Hi there, my name's Peter Vox and welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. If you like this channel, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and if we can help you or someone else that you know with their singing or your singing, please check out the links below and we'll be able to definitely help you out with your singing. We guarantee singing results in 3 weeks if you follow the teacher's instructions. Today's question is, can singing lessons help anyone? Yes, 110%. But you have to put the work in and practice and follow the singing teacher's instructions. As I said, we guarantee singing results in just 3 weeks if you follow the singing teacher's instructions. There is no magic pill to singing. Yes, some people have a nicer tone and are more naturally gifted at singing than others, but that's like any skill. There are some better basketball players or people that are better at martial arts or whatever it might be. But everyone can sing. The vocal cords that I'm using here to speak to you are the same vocal cords that we use when we're singing. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh let it be. So I'm using those same vocal cords to sing and to speak. Again, there is no magic pill and you have to put in the work to become a good singer. Always remember that your voice is a muscle and we need to train that muscle, and we can make it stronger with exercises that Vox Singing Academy will give you. These are called scales. These will be recorded for you. This will be your homework, so you practice these at home. We'll also be working on your ear. Your ear or your musicianship is very, very important because that's going to help you sing in pitch and key, and that is the #1 cardinal rule to do with singing. The main point about being a singer is be self-aware and accept your voice, your vocal range, and your possible limitations. Please learn to love yourself and your voice. I know that everyone, and even myself, we're inspired by our singing heroes. But love and accept your voice, because all voices are different. They're like fingerprints. Please make sure that you're having fun with your singing. That's really the main point. Singing brings joy, it releases endorphins, it makes you feel good. We don't want to be struggling to sing high notes or songs that are too hard for us. So just enjoy your voice and enjoy the songs that you're singing, and that's what we try to do at Vox Singing Academy. We have a motto here at Vox Singing Academy: get the best out of your voice. We are going to be also releasing a video. You can see that in the links below, and that will explain what actually happens in singing lessons at Vox Singing Academy, so you can check that out in the links below. As I said, if we could help you or someone that you know with your singing, please check us out in the links below. We'd really, really love to do that. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.